Hi everyone! Welcome back to Food Desires. We are still heading for Christmas and maybe even New Year's. Therefore, I created two amazing plant-based desserts which are perfect for Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve or any day where you feel like having a Christmas touch. No further explanation needed. Let's get to the recipes. Okay, to start off, we're creating a white chocolate mousse, which would have the flavor of saffron. And all you need is some cashews, which I've soaked overnight. If you don't have time to soak them overnight, you can just put them in some hot water for around 30 minutes and you'll be fine. For my sweetener, I'm using agave, but you can use any sweetener you prefer. Obviously, some saffron, vanilla powder, and then some coconut butter together with some coconut oil, which I've just heated in the microwave so it's runny. And last but not least, we have some coconut cream. And this is like literally the easiest dessert to make. We'll just put all the ingredients into the blender, mix, and then put them in some serving containers and put them in the freezer for around 1 hour until it's set. Okay, so starting with the cashews, I have 2/3 of a cup. And then going in with 1 cup of coconut cream. So as I said, here I have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil together with 1 tablespoon of coconut butter, which I just put in the microwave for 30 seconds, just to melt it. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. And this is 0.5 grams of saffron. And then agave around 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'll start with 2 and then I might add some. Put the lid on and blend. Going in for a taste. You can definitely taste the saffron, it's amazing. And I don't feel that I need any more sweetener to this. Okay, here we go. We'll just put them in the freezer for around an hour to let them sit. So now the chocolate mousse has been chilled in the freezer for around an hour and it's ready to be served. Can you see the color of this? Okay, so the second dessert for today will be a cheesecake, I guess. Anyways, it will have a rich chocolate taste to it together with some allspice. Starting with the crust, you will need 1 cup of almonds together with hazelnuts. And then I have 7 pitted dates, which we will combine in the blender together with some water to get the crust all combined. And then we will make the filling. So this is 1 cup. So start by mixing the nuts. Like that. And now we're adding the dates. as you can see, now the crust has started to combine, and I'll be able to flatten it out in a spring form. Okay, so it's time to make the chocolate filling. All you need is 200 grams of silken tofu, and then for the sweetener I'm adding some agave. I have some dark melted chocolate. I also have some nut butters. I couldn't really choose, so I'm going for both peanut butter and almond butter combined. For our spices, we're doing some salt and also some allspice and then some vanilla powder. Starting by just shredding the tofu into the blender. Adding 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, a large tablespoon. And then adding 2 tablespoons of almond butter. A teaspoon of vanilla powder. And then 1 teaspoon of allspice. And I'd say like around 1 tablespoon of agave. It all depends on how sweet you want it, obviously. Then we'll mix. Okay, last but not least, we are going in with the chocolate. And then I'm just adding in some salt. Okay, so the crust has now been in the freezer for around 10 minutes, and which has allowed it to sit. Let's transfer the filling. Would you look at the chocolate? It's so rich. And it smells amazing. Okay, so I'll just let it sit in the freezer for around 15-20 minutes, and then it's ready to be served. And here you have it, my non-baked chocolate-rich Christmas cake. Okay, so that was it for today's dessert video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope I've shown you just how easy plant-based food can be. And once you try the recipes, you will obviously notice just how delicious they are. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.